Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we will learn how to give Shopify access to a developer. So, let's get started. First, open your Shopify store. On the left side, you will see the option for Settings. Click on it. Then click on Users. Now, click on Security. Now you will see the collaborator's code. Click on this code to copy it. Next, go to the Shopify Partners website. Click on Add Store. And then click on Request Access to Store. Here, it will ask you for the store URL. Go back to your Shopify store and copy the URL from the top. After copying it, don't directly paste the URL, as your store may be new and you might not have a domain yet. This can cause an issue. You need to open ChatGPT, paste the URL, and ask it, "This is my Shopify store URL. Give me the URL for collaborators." It will send you a short URL. Copy that URL and go back to your Shopify Partners account, where you will paste the new URL. It will now ask you for the collaborator's request code. Go back to your Shopify store, copy the collaborator code, and paste it here. Then, scroll down and enable the options you want to grant access to. For example, I will enable the Home option for this demo and also enable the Theme option. Then, click on Request Access to Store. You can see that our request has been sent, and the status shows Access Pending. Now, go to your Shopify store and click on Users. You will see a request here. Click on it, and you will have the option to either reject or accept the request. Click on Accept Request. Now, go back to the Shopify Partners website and click on Reload. After reloading the page, you will see that the collaborator access is now granted. Click on Login. And you'll see that your store is now open. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.